The air we breathe, what is it really made of? You're one of the few people who knows this, or is about to find out. Did you know that the air around you isn't made up of just oxygen? In fact, oxygen only makes up 21% of the air we breathe. The majority, about 78%, is nitrogen, a harmless gas essential for stabilizing our atmosphere. The remaining 1% consists of argon, carbon dioxide, and other trace gases like neon, helium, and even krypton. And yet, it's this discrete blend that makes life possible, creates clouds, sparks lightning, and even fuels fire. You didn't know that? Well, now you do.